Good evening, Aditi.
Good evening, sir.
Practiced anything or any exams is going on?
So my exam are over, sir.
When you are going to finish all the exams?
So my exams are already finished, sir.
Finished. Okay. We done how many questions? In
Sir,
exercise.
sir, yesterday I was absent.
Okay. We'll wait for
Yesterday.
we'll wait for others then. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, you are in mute.
Yeah. So last class we discussed section formula and we done some numericals based on the section formula. So just we will recall what is section formula. There are 2 points, A, x1 comma y1, B, x2 comma y2. If I join, I will get line segment of AB. There is a point P on AB in such a way the ratio of AP by PB is m:n. Then what are the coordinates of P? We can do like this: mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, mx2, sorry, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So with the help of this formula, we discussed trisection formula and midpoint formula. Midpoint means the P is dividing the line into 1:1 ratio. If I am applying the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Trisection formula. The meaning of trisection means, suppose this is a line AB. If I want to divide this line exactly into 3 equal parts, the PQ are called trisection points. P is dividing AB in the ratio 1:2. Q is dividing AB in the ratio 2:1. So there are 2 points will come if I want to trisect the line. Suppose the total line is 9 centimeter. If I want to trisect, I have to cut at 3 centimeter, remaining at 6 centimeter. So this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. So if I'm taking the ratio of AP by PB, then it will be 3/6. If I want to take the ratio of AQ by QB, it is 6/3. So then you will get P is dividing the line into 1:2 ratio, Q is dividing the line into 2:1 ratio, then 3 segments are in same length. So if I'm applying this ratio for this formula, then I will get the trisection points. P is one trisection point, Q is another trisection point. So trisect the line means you have to find out the coordinates of P and Q both. If it is a midpoint means you have to find out only the midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. The same way, it is not part of the syllabus I am going to give for knowledge purpose. Centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle. So generally centroid means point of intersection of medians. Centroid is represented with G. It will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. It is not part of the syllabus. Am I right, Harita? It is not there in syllabus, correct? It is available in syllabus or not there? Aditi, Harita, please. Janavi. Guys, you there? Students?
Yes, sir, but I don't know properly.
Centroid is not there, no? It's not part of the syllabus. Am I right? Centroid of a triangle in coordinate geometry is there. Why? It is not there. Just we are having only even midpoint and trisection point. These two only there. Section formula based on that some numericals. Centroid and all will come in next class, 11th standard. If you choose the trigonometry. After that, we are having area of the triangle. How to calculate the area of the triangle in coordinate geometry. We done a few numericals with respect to this. We are going to do. We done 5th one also. How many numericals we done, guys? We done 6th one also. With the help of midpoint formula, we done 6th one. Yeah, we'll do this question. 7th question. Find the coordinates of point A, where AB is the diameter of a circle. There is a circle. AB is the diameter of the circle. So this is A, this is B. So midpoint is center. O is midpoint of AB. So A is given as 2 comma minus 3. B is given as 1 comma 4. He's asking what is the center of the circle. Center is midpoint of diameter. So midpoint of AB is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, which is dividing 1:1 ratio, because the OA is or OB is also or 1:1 ratio. So your A is how much? 2 comma 3. So 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4 by 2. So the answer is 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is the center of the circle. The coordinates of the center is O is equals 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. What is your x1? This is your x1 y1 looks. This is your x2 y2. So from there you can able to substitute the values of x1, x2, y1 and y2. Are you clear? Anyone having any doubts? Anything to need to be recalled like section formula? Because everything is derived from the section formula only. Only we have to keep it in mind. What is section formula? How to apply that section formula? Guys, I can move to the next one. Harita, please. Aditi. Students, please respond. Ikshita, Janavi.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah. If you're done, please let me know. I will move to the next question.
Completed, sir.
Yeah. Next question. Question number 8. If A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP by AB is 3 by 7. So P is a point on AB. Is asking the ratio of AP by AB is 3 by 7. Suppose this is a line AB. The meaning of AP by AB is 37. Given data is what? A coordinate is given. A coordinate is minus 2 comma minus 2. B coordinate is 2 comma minus 4. P is a point, is on the line or outside of AB. How I can know? AP is given as 3 by 7 of AB, that is less than AB. If AP is less than AB means it is in between AP, because AP is 3 by 7 is less. So AP is somewhere in between A and B, but the ratio of AP by AB is 3 by 7. So how to bring the ratio of AP by PB, because we are having the formula for AP to PB ratio. So AP here, AB can be written as AP plus PB. This is 3 by 7 of AP plus PB. So this is 7 times AP is equal to 3 times AP plus 3 times PB. If I'm taking 3 AP this side, 7 AP minus 3 AP is equal to 3 times PB. This is 4 times AP will be equal to 3 times PB. I need the ratio of AP by PB. 3 by 4. Now from this calculation I can understand P is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio 3:4. Now your ratio is here, coordinates are there. -2, -2, 2, -4, and P is a point dividing in the ratio 3:4. So my coordinates of P, and P lies on the line segment AB. Find the coordinates of P. So using the section formula, P is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, this is m, this is n. Now if I'm substituting these values, m is 3, so 3 into 2 plus 4 into -2 divided by 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 into -4 plus 4 into -2 divided by 7. So finally, how much I'm getting? 6 minus 8 by 7 minus 12 minus 8 by 7. 6 minus 8 is -1 by 7, comma, minus 20 by 7 is my answer. Check. You are also getting the same calculation or any different answer. So my coordinates of P is -1 by 7, comma, minus 20 by 7, which will divide the line into according to given data, like which is dividing the line into 3:4 ratio. That's how I can able to calculate. Basic of mathematics is required. First of all, I have to connect to basic math. That is important here.
Sir, it is -2 by 7, comma, -20 by 7, sir.
Sorry, -6 minus 8 is -2. -2 by 7, comma, -20 by 7. I can move to the next question. Students, I can move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
What is the next question? Find the coordinates of point. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment into 4 equal parts. So just try to draw the diagram which is depicting the situation. This is a line. Is asking us to divide into 4 equal parts. What is meant by 4 equal parts, students? How many times I have to cut this line if I want to divide into 4 equal parts? Suppose if I want to divide this total length is 20 centimeter. So each piece length, how much I will get? I want to cut this rope into 4 equal parts of 20 centimeter. So how much? First, if I'm taking this is P, this is Q, this is R. First, I am dividing into 2 equal parts, which is 10 and which is 10. And again, I am dividing this into 2 equal parts, 5 and 5. We can use the ratios. This is a 1:3, 2:2, 3:1, like that. There are 3 points we will get, Q, P, R. Q, P are the points. I have to cut 3 times this rope to get the equal parts. And in different way also I can discuss. P is the midpoint of AB. So first I am dividing the AB into 2 equal parts. Again, Q is the midpoint of AP and R is the midpoint of PB. So if I know the PQ or coordinates, that is those are the points which will divide the given line segment into 4 equal parts. I can do like this, guys. Are you clear what I done here? Students, please respond. Are you clear what I done? Not clear? Yes or no, please. Akshita, Janavi, Diti, Amruta.
Yes, sir.
So can you calculate midpoint of AB? What is A point given? A is how much? What is A point? Minus 2 comma 2. B is 2 comma 8. So midpoint of AB is how much? From here P is equals minus 2 plus 2 by 2, 2 plus 8 by 2. So my P point is 0 comma 5. My P point is 0 comma 5. Now this is your P. So how much I got? The P is, just write P here to solve 0 comma 5. Now I am calculating the midpoint of AP. So my Q will be equal to midpoint of AP. So minus 2 plus 0 by 2, 2 plus 5 by 2. So the answer is minus 1 comma 7 by 2. I'm taking the R value. So this is minus 1 comma 7 by 2. R is the midpoint of P and B. So 0 plus 2 by 2, 5 plus 8 by 2. This will be 1 comma 13 by 2. So these are the 3 points which will divide the line into exactly 4 equal parts. Just with the help of this diagram and explaining 1 or 2 points will make the question in a simplest way instead of doing direct section formula. With the help of the midpoint formula I can use, or if you want to use a section formula, I can do like this, the same question. P is the point which is dividing the line AB into 1:1 ratio from the diagram. Q is the point 1:3 ratio. R is the point 3:1 ratio. If there are the 3 points, it is dividing a line in these ratios, then those points will divide the line exactly into 4 equal segments. Students, is it clear and anything I confused? Please.
Clear, sir.
The last question. Find the area of rhombus if its vertices are. There is a rhombus, he is asking us to calculate the area. And they gave the vertices of the rhombus. So rhombus, vertices are A, 3, 0, B, 4, 5, C, minus 1, 4, D, minus 2, minus 1. Taken in order. So they gave the area of rhombus is half of product of its diagonals. How to do this question? With the help of the distance formula, that is enough. No need to think any other things because they gave the clue. The area of the rhombus is half into product of the diagonals. Area of half into product of diagonals. Guys, with the help of the distance formula, calculate AC value, calculate BD value. Please, I need to know the calculation of these two values. Anyone got the AC value? Guys, I'm asking you a question. Please respond. Anyone got the AC value? Harita, Janavi, Akshita, please.
One minute.
Yeah. Guys, how much time taking to calculate only a distance formula, guys? Are you following the class or not? Students? Aditi, Kshita,
Sir, AC is root 32.
root 32. What about BD? Sorry?
Root 37, sir.
Root 37. BD. Check. Check, please. Is BD is root 37 or 72?
Root 72, sir.
Root 70?
2, sir.
2. This can be written as 6 root 2. So area of rhombus half into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. So 2 root 2 cancel. So 24 square units. This is how we can do this question. Yeah, shall we go some extra numericals over this? After that, shall we go for area formula? Students, we can do some more numericals.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we almost done using this one. Suppose sometime they may ask like this. They won't give the ratio, they won't give the point also. They will ask us to calculate. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points joining the points 6, 4 and 1, -7 is divided internally by x-axis. Is divided internally by x-axis. See, whenever the x-axis means, what is the form of how the coordinates on x-axis looks. How the coordinates on x-axis can look, students. How the x-axis coordinates will look. How the x-axis coordinates will look, guys. Suppose if I'm taking this is coordinates, this is 0. This is how this point looks. This is 1, 0. This is 2, 0. This is 3, 0, like this. If I'm taking any point on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Ordinate is 0 if the point is lying on x-axis. Ordinate is 0. Always, you take any point. Suppose if I'm taking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the point 9, 0. And they're giving the points 6, 4. 6, 4 is, this is 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 6, 4. 1, -7. 1. Where is -7? This is 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. This is, I'm using the graph, but I can't do always with the graph, but just to understand what he is asking, I'm trying to explain here. This is 1, -7. And if I'm joining, this is the 2 points. Suppose this is A 6, 4, B 1, -7. And the x-axis is dividing this line. There is a intersection with respect to x-axis. If I join these 2 points, the line looks like this. So it is meeting somewhere at one point. It is meeting x-axis here. He is asking what is the point of intersection of x-axis. If x-axis is dividing internally, at what point it will divide? So I'm assuming this point is, I didn't give the ratio also, just he is asking at what point it will divide. So the x-axis is dividing at P, where the P is x, 0, because any point on the x-axis is x, 0. And assume the ratio is x-axis divides the given line of joining into k:1 ratio. K:1 ratio, where k is some number, it might be fraction or something. K:1 ratio. So now my line is AB is like this. P is a point x, 0, and this is dividing k:1 ratio. So my aim is I have to calculate the k value. He's asking the at what ratio the x-axis will divides. What is the ratio of x-axis is dividing the AB line. Now if I am applying, A is 6, 4, B is 1, -7. If I am applying the section formula, Px, 0 is equal 1k plus 6 by k plus 1, comma, minus 7k plus 4 by k plus 1. So here x is unknown, here k is unknown. If I'm comparing x coordinate, it is not possible to find out the ratio. But with the help of the y coordinate, I can calculate. Y coordinate is by default is 0. Why y coordinate is 0? Because the point P is lies on x-axis. So any point lying on x-axis and its y coordinate is always 0. So if I'm comparing the y coordinates, minus 7k plus 4 by k plus 1. If I'm cross multiplying, minus 7k plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 7k is equal to minus 4. K is equal to minus 4 by minus 7. Minus cancel. Sorry. Minus cancel. 4 by 7. So the x-axis dividing the line joining of two given points is 4 by 7 is to 1. That is 4 is to 7 ratio. The required ratio is 4:7 ratio. Students, hope you are clear. What I done here? Shall we do one more question? I'm moving to one more question. Find the centroid of the triangle using analytical geometry. This is a proof how I got centroid formula. Find the centroid of the triangle. So they won't give any data because we already done the definition of the centroid from your previous classes. A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, C x3 comma y3, and asking the centroid. The centroid is point of intersection of medians. Centroid is point of intersection of medians. So if I'm taking AD is one median, B is another median, CF is another median, so G is my centroid. G is centroid which divides the median into two is to one ratio, and median is line joining of vertex and midpoint of the opposite side. D is the midpoint of BC. So AD is median. Now we are having all the data required to solve this question. So first find out the D coordinate. D is x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. And A is x1 comma y1. And this is dividing 2:1 ratio. A is x1 y1, D is x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Now G is the centroid which is dividing 2:1 ratio. So G is equals 2 into x2. So x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 2 plus 1. This is 2 into y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1 into y1 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 cancel here. Here also 2 cancel. Finally, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is how we can solve the centroid derivation. In case of general, this year we are going with MCQs. That's the reason we are not bothering about these kind of questions. Straight away they will ask, what is the answer for this? What is the answer for that? But generally, in case of descriptive questions, usually they will ask these kind of questions also. Hope you are clear, guys. Akshita, Harita, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I give one question? Will you try? A simple question I will give you. Will you try, guys? Everyone? Students?
Yes, sir.
Find the ratio. Sorry. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio two is to 3. Please solve this question. It's a straight question. Just I'm asking you to solve. It's a straight question which already done.
Sir, is p value is equal to 1, 4/5?
Sir, you're muted, sir.
See here, this is my solution. I got 1, 3. Answer is
Yes, sir, 1, 3.
one more question. Try. After that, we will move to the area of the triangle formula. I'll move to area of the triangle formula today. Then we'll do some more numericals, additional numericals tomorrow. find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points joining the points A 3, -6, B 5, 3 is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. Please. Students, anyone got the answer? Please respond. Anyone got the answer? I gave enough time. Please, Harita, Amrita, anyone? Aditi? Guys, you there? Amruta, Akshita.
1 second, sir.
Yeah. See, same as whenever they are not giving ratio and as well as point, it is giving divided by some x-axis or y-axis. Let assume ratio lambda is to 1 and point P is on x-axis. So x comma 0 is the point P. So P is dividing lambda is to 1 ratio of AB. A is 3 comma minus 6, B is 5 comma 3, dividing lambda is to 1 ratio. So P x comma 0 is equals
Sir,
5
2
lambda.
is to 1.
Answer is how much, madam? 2 is to
2 is
1,
to
right
1,
answer.
sir.
2 is to 1, right answer. Super. Lambda plus 1. This is 3 lambda minus 6 by lambda plus 1. So with the help of the x coordinates, I can't solve here because y coordinate is 0. With the help of y coordinate, I can do it. So 3 lambda minus 6 by lambda plus 1. So this will be 3 lambda minus 6 is 0. Lambda is 6 by 3. 2 is to 1. So the ratio of the point P dividing the AB is 2 is to 1. But he's asking the value of P also. P x comma 0 is 5 lambda plus 3 by lambda plus 1. 3 lambda minus 6 by lambda plus 1. Where lambda is 2 by 1. Lambda is 2. So 10 plus 3 by 3. 6 minus 6 by 3. This will be 13 by 3 comma 0 is the point which divides the given points into 2 is to 1 ratio by x-axis. The ratio how the AB is dividing by x-axis is 2 is to 1 and the point of intersection is 13 by 3 comma 0. Hope you are clear. I can go to the next one. Students,
Yes, sir.
the last topic of this chapter is area of the triangle. The last topic of this chapter is area of the triangle. How to calculate the area of the triangle analytically using analytical geometry. How to calculate the area of the triangle using analytical geometry. So what is the meaning of analytical geometry? Means they will give the data in terms of coordinates, in the form of coordinates, and we have to calculate its area. So it is not so easy using the distance formula. It is a little bit longer procedure. So if I am able to create a formula for this, it will be easy for me to solve. Suppose there is a triangle. There is a triangle like this. The coordinates of this triangle is A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, C x3 comma y3. If I want to calculate, there is a method. Find the AB distance, this is C, BC distance, this is A, AC distance, this is B. With the help of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under the root, you can able to calculate the area of triangle ABC. This is one method we saw in our previous classes. But this method we won't follow. We have to create, or is there any possibility, shall we develop any formula with respect to coordinates? Just directly substitution of these coordinates can give any answer of the So there are different ways to remember the formula. The formula is a little bit big. So triangle ABC area, if I'm giving the coordinates of ABC is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. So how to develop this formula? Actually, it is not required. So far, never asked the derivation of this formula, but using this formula, we can do so many questions. It will be easy to calculate the area. We will see how we can derive this formula for knowledge purpose. I'm taking the coordinate axis. The triangle might be any position. I am not taking all some points on the same line. So this is my A point, x1 comma y1, B point, x2 comma y2, C point. So this is x2, this is x1, this is x3. This is the point B, this is the point C. Same as this is y2, this is y3, this is y1. Now, if I'm taking the perpendicular dotted lines on the x-axis or y-axis, so I'm taking with respect to x. So this is M, this is L, this is N. You can see different kind of quadrilaterals here. In that, I want the area of ABC. How to calculate the area of ABC here? So I'm taking the AL, BM, and CN. The area of triangle ABC will be written as area of trapezium ABML. See this one? This is the area, this trapezium area. Area of trapezium ABML plus area of trapezium, another trapezium is here, see here, ACNL or LACN. This is another trapezium. Area of trapezium ALNC minus area of ABCN. If I'm taking the whole area minus unwanted area. So area of ABCN. Now it will be easy to calculate. What is the trapezium formula, students? How to calculate the trapezium formula? Half into sum of the heights into base. I can do like that. Suppose if I am having, this is my ABML trapezium. ABML. So this area is half into heights is MB plus LA. Sum of the heights into its base. Base is ML. Base is ML. Same as half into this heights is how much? AL plus NC into the base is LN plus ABCN. ABCN. So half into MB plus NC into the base is MN. The base is MN. From here to here is the base. This base is x1 minus x2. From here to here is x3 minus x1. The whole length is x3 minus x2. That's how we can write from the coordinates. Because from here to here x2, from here to here x1, from here to here x3. So you can able to calculate the M, L value, L, N value, and if you want Mn also you can able to calculate. Now if I am taking half common, if I am writing MB value, what is the MB value? MB is Y2. LA. LA value is y1 into ML value. ML value is x1 minus x2. Up to L is x1, up to M is x2. So x1 minus x2 plus AL plus NC. If I am taking AL plus NC is y1 plus y3 into NC is x3 minus x1 plus MB is y2 and NC is y3. And if I am taking MN is x3 minus x2. If I am multiplying and splitting, certain terms will cancel. If I am multiplying and splitting, a few terms will cancel. Finally, you are going to remain a few terms. Like if I am multiplying y2 x1 plus y2 x2, sorry, minus y2 x2 plus x1 y1 minus x2 y1. Like this, after all calculation and simplification, finally I'm going to get only one statement of x1 y2 minus x2 y1, x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x2 y3 minus x3 y2 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y3. This is a statement will remain after all. See, here I am getting 4 terms, here I am getting 4 terms. So total 12 terms. Out of 12 terms, you will get only 6. Remaining 6 will cancel each other. Here, to make it simple, I am taking x1, y2, 1 mean x1, y3. If I am taking x1 common here, y2 minus y3. I am taking x2 common, y3 minus y1. x3 common I am taking, y1 minus y3. This is my area of the triangle if all the coordinates are given. How to calculate? So this bit of big statement, how to remember? Is there any other alternate way to remember this formula, or is there any other alternate way I can do with the help of the given data? That we will discuss in tomorrow class. Tomorrow class we will discuss how many ways we can remember the formula and how many ways we can do this question without remembering the formula, and some numericals based on this. So shall I wind up the session?
Yes, sir.
We'll meet in next class. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.